Imagine this, you get paid to shop, you choose the stores, you browse the aisles, and you even get reimbursed for your purchases. Sound too good to be true? It's not. This is the exciting world of mystery shopping. Mystery shopping is a fun and flexible way to earn extra income. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, mystery shopping offers a unique opportunity to get paid for something you already do, shop. But it's more than just browsing and buying. Mystery shopping is about providing valuable feedback to businesses. Your experiences help companies improve their customer service, product quality, and overall operations. So, if you're ready to turn your shopping trips into cash, read on to discover the ins and outs of mystery shopping. Mystery shopping is a form of market research where individuals called mystery shoppers are hired to anonymously evaluate businesses. These evaluations help companies understand the customer experience firsthand. As a mystery shopper, you'll receive specific instructions for each assignment. This might involve visiting a store, dining at a restaurant, or even contacting customer service. You'll be asked to observe and evaluate various aspects such as friendliness and helpfulness of staff, cleanliness and appearance of the establishment, product availability and pricing, speed and efficiency of service. After your experience, you'll submit a detailed report outlining your observations. This feedback helps companies identify areas for improvement and enhance customer satisfaction. Mystery shopping offers various income opportunities. You can get paid in several ways, including cash reimbursements. Get reimbursed for your purchases such as groceries, meals, or clothing. Free products or services. Enjoy complimentary meals, hotel stays, or other services in exchange for your evaluation. Fixed fees. Receive a set payment for completing an assignment, regardless of your purchases. The amount you earn depends on the complexity and length of the assignment. Some tasks might only take a few minutes and pay a few dollars, while others could involve longer visits and offer higher compensation. Section 4. Your opinion matters. The power of consumer feedback. Your role as a mystery shopper is crucial in shaping the consumer experience. Companies rely on your honest and objective feedback to make informed decisions about their business. By sharing your observations, you help businesses identify areas for improvement. Your feedback highlights strengths and weaknesses in customer service, product quality, and overall operations. By addressing issues and implementing improvements, companies can create a better experience for all customers. Businesses that prioritize customer satisfaction are more likely to attract and retain customers. Remember, your opinions matter. Your insights help businesses grow and improve, making a real difference in the consumer landscape. Section 5. Become a secret agent of shopping. Tips to get you started. Ready to embark on your mystery shopping adventure? Here are some tips to get you started. First, find reputable mystery shopping companies. Research and choose companies that are accredited by organizations like the Mystery Shopping Providers Association, or MSPA. Next, create a professional profile. Highlight your skills, interests, and availability to attract potential clients. Choose assignments that interest you. Select tasks that align with your shopping habits and preferences. Be thorough and objective in your evaluations. Provide detailed and unbiased feedback based on your experiences. And finally, submit your reports on time. Adhere to deadlines to maintain a good reputation with mystery shopping companies. Section 6. A win-win, how mystery shopping benefits everyone. Mystery shopping isn't just a way to earn extra income, it's a mutually beneficial system for both shoppers and businesses. Shoppers enjoy earning potential, get paid to shop and share your opinions. Flexibility. Choose assignments that fit your schedule and interests. New experiences. Explore different businesses and try new products or services. Businesses benefit from improved customer service. Identify and address areas for improvement in customer interactions, enhanced product quality, gain insights into product performance and customer satisfaction, increased profitability. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat customers, boosting revenue. In conclusion, mystery shopping presents a unique opportunity to turn everyday shopping trips into a rewarding side hustle. By providing valuable feedback, you contribute to improving the consumer experience while earning extra income. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the fun and profitable adventures that await you in the world of mystery shopping.